Oh, it's for the kid too. That's the kid handlebars. So the parent on the back, the kid, and the dog.
He wouldn't fit in there. Oh, you can make him fit. Trust me. Hey guys, check this out. It's a pet convention. It's like, it's a convention center, a giant meeting hall, and the whole place is, they're having a special pet convention here today. It closes. We just arrived like a half hour before they closed, so they let us get in for free. But they handed us. I'm like, we went and asked, like, oh, tickets are $5 each, and I asked, well, when do you close? And they're like 30 minutes, and I'm like, and then they're like, well, if you want to go in, you can. They just gave us tickets for free. He's getting ready to poop. That's a pooper if I ever seen one.
Built into the sweatshirt.
Do you think I could still fit my son into this? This be good for baby snatching if like you're at the hospital? Just quickly slap a baby in there, zip it up. It'd be good. Yeah, don't bother my cat. Or shoplifting. You could market this to areas of America? No? Is that not politically correct? Sorry. I can't upload that part of the video. I screwed myself. Unless I put it on my private channel. Oh, they got hats. They got costumes. Oops, sorry. Yeah. So you did 2 tours with me, and then you came back and toured on your own. And what happened the first day while you were touring?
It was awesome.
He crashed. He came and did the tour. And what did you do after your first ride in Taiwan?
Oh, I had a panic attack.
And threw up, yeah. And then yet you have these other moto vloggers saying, "Oh yeah, just come to Taiwan, ride it by yourself, it'll be perfectly fine." He did the entire island twice with me, and then when he did it on his own, he crashed the first day. Right?
Because I don't know how to ride, right? Yeah.
And how have you? And you were worried about riding here at first, right?
Yep.
Yeah, it's not something you just get off the plane and jump on a scooter and go, is it?
Nope.
Not really, no. And this is Grand Central Station in Taiwan. Taiwan's version of it.
Why don't you just go sit on his lap later?
Because he won't take a picture of that, and I stood over here, and he's pissed off. He's sulking. Are you sulking? That's awesome when a building's in the clouds like that. It's giant. It's like 4 or 5 feet tall, this projector. And then they have 2 so they can switch reels halfway through the film. And then that's where the this is a theater that's been preserved back from like the 30s, 40s. And now it's a restaurant primarily. But you can still get to watch the movies.